Vlogger. Good morning. Good morning. So, magapa yung face. Wala. Good morning!
Hindi kasi pumarunong
Kunyari.
Paano ba? Hindi kami close ni James. Eh, walang makatulog. So, kanya-kanya muna. As an introvert. 5 AM pa lang. Oo. Nag-aano po lang yung battery natin.
Kailangan muna namin mag-fuel.
Yes. So, here's the script. Ay, hindi pa siya script kasi hindi siya empty. Ito yung deck. So, hindi ko siya pwedeng ipakita sa inyo kasi masaspoil kayo. Pero, as you can see, 3 pages. So, we're gonna start na. Medyo nagbabadali kami kasi one day lang naman siya i-upload. And uploadin namin yung araw. Just watch, guys.
Okay, everybody, company call. Actors ready? ID roll. Set. And 3, 2, 1, action! And cut!
Tapos lang ng first take. First shot namin, first sequence namin. And then, quick change.
Okay.
Misunderstanding. Pero kailangan magsisigawan kami.
Yeah. So, exciting. Actually, nakikurious ako sa mangyayari. Kasi parang per season na relationship. Yan. So, yung next shot na gagawin namin, magkaaway na kami. LQ na kasi nagselo siya, may kasama daw akong iba. Pero hindi niya alam. Nanghihingi ako ng time, masyado lang siyang nakafocus sa school.
On action, nakatalikod ka, papasok ka sa gitna ka, Jane. So ngayon, ang papasa mo, okay, ready ka? Para ganyan, tapos inasa lang. Tapos pass ka.
Oh my gosh, balik ano ka? Be careful with my heart. Ano ba? Be careful or oh my G? Sino mas closer?
Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Paano kantahin yung song? Eh, yung headphone.
Right now is the time.
Right now.
Put your headphone. Grabe ang weird ng ano. Tigo, parang pag selfie, tigo ang weird niya pag magsa-selfie. Hawakan mo lang.
Weird ka din naman eh.
Bakit siya weird? Wide nga siya eh. Right now.
I'm so young. Oh my God! Alam niyo ba, nagkaroon ng time na kakakanta ni LA ng right now is the time. Doon ako na LSS sa version niya. Hindi sa version ko.
Hindi ka naman narito na nag-Dubai ka.
Yun, right now is the time, guys. Labas na po sa Spotify. Abangan niyo.
Actors ina kami. Tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo yung tuhod ko.
Nangyari dyan? New York.
So hot. Right now. Visit si LA.
Put your headphone.
Music! Action! Mabilis lang yun. Okay.
Guys, masarap.
Pangalawa pa lang ito sa buntot.
Dapat ba wala nagdagyan?
Put your headphones! Ito kasing scene na to, parang first time namin magkikita. So I think mas maganda.
Ganito kami. Siya namimili ng damit ko. Tapos minsan, you know, that's friends. That's how you support each other, bro. Ito naman sila, Amon.
ID, roll,
Ito.
and music, and action! And music.
Doing the same thing.
Less energy. Ano masasabi mo, babe? Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts on MJ on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and hit like. And wait. Yes! Yes! And promote Super Janela. Yes. Yes! Wait! I-promote mo yung music video ko. Guys, this is Janela. Don't forget to watch.
Our music video is gonna come out soon. It's called Hey You. And I love you, Jane. Thank you for saying yes.
Hi guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.